Which of the following is an equation of a circle with its center at 0, 0 and that passes through the point 3, 4 on the standard xy coordinate plane? Okay, so let's draw out what they mean. Here, let's draw out a coordinate plane. So we'll draw a y-axis, and then we'll draw an x-axis. And what they're saying is that there's this circle, and the center of the circle is right here at 0, 0. And there is a point at 1, 2, 3, that's 3x, and 1, 2, 3, 4, y here. There's this point 3, 4, which is on the perimeter of that circle. So if I actually were to draw the circle as best I can here, the circle would pass through this point with that as its center, so it might look kind of, a little bit like that. Now, they're asking which of these equations satisfies it. And you might remember the equation for a circle, in which case this is a very easy problem, but you might not. And so I'm going to deal with the case maybe you don't remember. And one thing I want to point out that is if a point is a solution to an equation, that means the equation has to make sense when we plug in the point. So let's try plugging in the point to each of these equations. So here, if x were equal to 3 and y were equal to 4, the answer to that would be -1, and -1 is not 1. This is not a point on this equation, whatever shape it makes. X plus y is equal to 25. Let's try plugging in again. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, right? That's not equal to 25 either. This is not a point on this equation, no matter what shape it makes. All right, let's keep going. 3 squared plus 4. This is 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. That's not equal to 25. Again, this point is not on this equation, whatever shape it happens to be. And x squared plus y squared is equal to 5. Okay, here we have 3 squared, which we said was 9 before, plus 4 squared, which is, I can do in my head, 16. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, and that's not a point on this line. And I'm going to keep that equation around because actually in K, we have the exact same thing. So it's x is 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 25. This is a point on this line, and it turns out this is actually the formula for a circle, and you can look up formula for a circle. It's kind of a useful, interesting thing, but the more basic intuition is just realizing that if a point is on a line, then it must be a real solution to the equation.